What's the meaning of cover story? Cover story. Cover story.
Cover story. Cover story. A cover story is a featured article or report in a publication, typically appearing on the cover of the magazine or newspaper. It often involves investigative journalism and reveals new or interesting information about a topic of current interest. The purpose of a cover story is to attract and inform readers by providing in-depth coverage of a particular subject. It can range from politics, entertainment, science, business, and more. Overall, a cover story is an important piece of journalism that aims to inform and engage readers on a particular topic.